Hello everyone, can you say hello, Miss Rani? Well done everyone. Are you ready to see what's inside Snowy's box? Should we say hello to Snowy first? You want to say hello Snowy? Oh look, he's giving you a wave. Have you got some things in your box for us today, Snowy? Oh, he's giving us a nod, boys and girls. Are you ready to see what's inside Snowy's box today? Very excited. Shall we say? Sing with me. What's inside the box? What's inside the box? Let's see what's inside the box. Box is moving. Ooh. What's this, boys and girls? It's a glass. That's right, glass. My turn. Glass. Your turn. Well done. My turn again. Glass. Your turn again. Glass. Excellent, everyone. Boys and girls, when you are little, you don't hold a glass because if this falls, it will shatter and it will have sharp edges that can hurt us. So only adults have a glass made from glass material. So I'm going to put this really safe and I'm going to put it behind Snowy because I don't want it to fall. Okay, ready? Let's see what else is inside our box. What's inside the box? What's inside the box? Let's see what's inside the box. Oh, it's shaking. Ooh. What are these? Do you know what these are? People use these when they're swimming. And actually, there's a different type that people use to protect their eyes when they're working. So workmen use them as well, but they're different, they're bigger. So these are called goggles. These are swimming goggles, but sometimes workmen have goggles as well to protect their eyes. The ones we've got today are swimming goggles. My turn. Goggles. Your turn. Goggles. My turn again. Goggles. Your turn again. Excellent, everyone. Goggles protect our eyes when we're swimming. It stops the water from hurting our eyes because some people find it irritates their eyes. So swimming goggles, these have a tint to them. That means they're a bit like sunglasses, so they protect your eyes from the sun as well. So shall we see if the goggles fit around Snowy's eyes? Oh, how cool does he look with his swimming goggles on, everybody? Ready? Let's see what else is inside the box. What's inside the box? What's inside the box? Let's see what's inside the box. Oh, it's moving, it's shaking. Ooh, I think we use this a lot at school and they always go missing, the lids do. It's a glue stick. Glue. My turn. Glue. Your turn. My turn again. Glue. Your turn again. Excellent. So, in Snowy's box so far, we've got a glass, some glue, and goggles that Snowy is wearing. Wonder what else is inside the box. Shall we find out? What's inside the box? What's inside the box? Let's see what's inside the box. Oh, it's getting warmer now. We don't need these, but lots of us have them when it's cold and it's winter. In fact, some of us wear them in autumn. They're gloves. Gloves. My turn. Gloves. Your turn. My turn again. Gloves. Your turn again. Excellent. So we've got gloves, glue, glass, and goggles. I wonder if there's anything else left. I think these gloves are too big for Snowy's paws. So I'm just going to put them here at the side. Shall we see what else is in the box? What's inside the box? What's inside the box? Let's see what's inside the box. Ooh, not sure if you know what this is, boys and girls. I'm going to bring it really close to the camera. It's garlic. Mummies and daddies, or aunts and uncles, or grandmas and granddads, adults really, use this for cooking. It's very, 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 very smelly. It's got a strong smell, boys and girls. And you have to peel the skin off, and then you end up, can you just see those little ridges? You end up with little garlic pieces. So, my turn. Garlic. My turn again. Garlic. Your turn again. Excellent. So we've got garlic, gloves, glue, goggles, and a glass. Lots of things in the box. I think there's only one last thing. You ready to find out? Let's sing and find out then. What's inside the box? What's inside the box? Let's see what's inside the box. Oh, it's ready to come out. It's something big. It's a game. A game. Your turn. My turn again. Game. Your turn again. So we've got a game. I'm going to put that on top of the box. I can't hold that, boys and girls. Gloves. Glue. Garlic. Glass. And goggles. Let's put all of these on the box. And let's bring Snowy onto his box really carefully. I'll move the game slightly back. Move the glass closer to Snowy. Garlic. Glue. Gloves. All on the box. So today, everybody, our sound has been g. When we make this sound, you can see my mouth is open just a little bit. G. It comes from the back of your throat. It's a tricky sound to make. G. My tongue stays down. My jaw stays open a little bit. G. It all comes from here. You can do it. Have a go. G. Excellent, everybody. Let's have a think. What shall we do for... Let's do thumbs up today for working so hard on our new sound. G. Ready? Well done me. That was really good listening. And have a look in your house today for anything that has the g sound. I wonder what you'll find. Let's say bye-bye. Can you say bye, Miss Rani? Your turn. Excellent. Can we say bye, everyone? Your turn. Excellent, everyone. Remember, only one video a day, and I will see you soon. Bye-bye, everyone.